Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trend Profit. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to see one of the important feature which we all have been waiting for. So this feature has been introduced in the first week of the September by the TradingView. So what is that feature? For knowing that feature, we have to go into charts. So how we go into charts? Right now I'm in the home page of the TradingView. So click on the charts. So the feature is that now in TradingView we all can see the futures charts of an index or the stock, which was not possible before. So for example, if you are trading Bank Nifty, so what you used to do, you used to see Bank Nifty index chart over here and the Bank Nifty futures charts on your selected brokers like Zerodha or the Upstocks or whichever you are using. So but now you can see the future charts in the TradingView. So how to do it? Just like the stock search, you have to search for any particular stock or any index. So I'll search for the Bank Nifty. Okay, so generally you will be in this all tab. So what you have to do, you have to go in the futures. From here also you can go, but it will reduce the extra noise. So go in the futures, and as you can see, it is showing all the 3 months chart, current month, the October and the November, and this is above two are the same. Like if you click this, it will show the current month. If you click this, it will show the next month. Okay, so right now we are in the September, so I'll click the September. So as you can see, this is the September futures charts, which is the same as you can see in your any selected broker. So you can switch between the intervals and the time. Okay, just like any normal stock chart feature. Okay, so for example, if you are trading a HDFC stock future, so what you can do, you can search for it, and then you can go in that HDFC future, and then HDFC future October, which is the next month. Okay, so this is one of the important feature, because now you don't have to switch between your broker and TradingView, because all is in the same place. At least for the seeing the chart, you don't have to use two platforms, right? So this is how you can switch between the times and the interval. And yeah, this is one of the important feature that we all have been waiting for, because sometimes in the particular broker the charts are lagging. So but in a TradingView it doesn't happen that much. So yes, it is a very handy feature, because the futures, most of the traders trade the futures of the stock and the index. So yes, it will be a very helpful. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.